This is the unboxing of the Ryobi 1 18-volt fogger. It holds their standard 18-volt battery, and it says it is included with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. So on top, and this. And plus things inside. And so let's see here. So lift it out. Here we've got the cap for the tank. And this box is a wall charger, and we have the battery, 2 amp hour battery. This battery does not have the LED indicator on it to let you know if it has enough power. So that's the empty box, and you can see the size of the unit here. This is where you put the contents in. This is the cutter fogging insecticide. See, it says fogging insecticide, and that would be poured in this tank. Here's the cap. You can see there's a ½ gallon fill line right there. And then the battery goes in here in the back. And it turned on. So if we look in here, looks like there's a turbine impeller to blow air. And what it does is it takes the fogger out of the tank, and there's a tube right here that looks like the product gets blown up in here.